Bad dreams come true, spinning in my head, yeah, only a few. Hoping no one ever come again, messing up my views. Bad news, bad luck, I'm stuck. Cause in real life, it doesn't really matter. No matter what I dream, no matter what I feel, no, it doesn't really matter. People always gonna get killed. Why my dreams always unfulfilled? Yes, it's still listen to my words so I can feel. Shut the fuck up, I will cover my skills. That a nightmare will turns to a dream, till it turns to a dream. Even if I have to scream, even if I have to scream. Just finding out that my nightmares weren't dreams. The these are the daylight, so real it hit me right in my face. Don't have to sleep to see the moon are reflecting on the sun, coming from the other side. So that means there's light. Spite and the nightmares come to life, come to life. Cause in real life, it doesn't really matter. No matter what I dream, no matter what I feel, no, it doesn't really matter. What's the goal of winning the rap game? What's the goal of chasing the fame? All these nightmares created in vain. Rate of darkness creates the pain. What's the point if I'm never gonna see? Yeah, look into the future better. What's the point if we're never gonna know in 100 years of the world got better? Yeah, the point is in the hope that we create as human beings, and the faith is freeing. Believing in stuff that you know exists, it's in faith, just fake belief. Whoa. This is the world we live in today. No way to change that, but what we can do is change ourselves, embrace the dream and drop the nightmare. No way, I'm doing it again, cause these people don't fight fair. Another wants to spare, another wants to scream, another wants to leave, yeah, another wants to dream. Building every block to the top, cause I live another dream. This is what I wanna see. There will never be a dream if it never was a ghost. You created a nightmare, but you gotta fight fair. Light falling through the window, waiting for the time it's almost near. Never be afraid of the dark with a nightmare, even if it's near. Fight with your dream against your nightmare. Fight with your dream against your nightmare and fight fair. Fight with your dream against your nightmare and fight fair. No one despair. Don't ever look back on the scars and focus on your mind's creation. Just finding out that my nightmares weren't dreams, but these are the daylight. So real it hit me right in my face. Don't have to sleep to see the moon are reflecting on the sun, coming from the other side. So that means there's light. Spite and the nightmares come to life, come to life.